In this video, I'm taking you behind the scenes as I design this stunning poster from scratch in Photoshop. First, I'm creating a new artboard, setting the size according to my project needs, and naming it for better organization. Now I'm adding the background image and adjusting its size to fit perfectly within the artboard. I'm using the clone stamp tool to fix any rough areas and make the image look smooth and well fitted on the artboard. Now I'm layering the subject image onto the background, making sure it aligns perfectly and blends effortlessly with the scene. Next, I'm adding some flowers to enhance the design, giving it a more unique and realistic vibe. Now, I'm adding color to the background layer to match the tone and tie everything together. I'm using fonts from Adobe Cloud to give the design a polished and professional look. Now I'm adding color to the font to make the text stand out and match the overall vibe of the design. Now I'm adding a leaf to the design to give it a natural touch and make the composition feel more alive. I'm applying a motion blur filter to the leaf to add a sense of depth and subtle movement to the design. Now I'm adding the tagline in a font that complements the design to emphasize the message. After merging all the layers, I'm adding a camera raw filter to fine-tune the colors and enhance the overall look. Hope you enjoyed the process. If you want more design tips, tricks, and behind-the-scenes stuff, don't forget to follow and stay tuned for more cool content. Got any design topics you're itching to learn about? Drop them in the comments.